Hey guys, I'm Diedre and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some garlic roasted potatoes right in the oven. So the only thing you'll need for this recipe is some red potatoes. You can get these at any grocery store, so they're easy to find. I will start off by washing my potatoes. So I'm using my fruit and veggie brush to wash my potatoes. You gotta make sure that you wash these pretty well because you will be eating the skin on these potatoes. You'd want to get a baking tray so that you can roast your potatoes in there. The first thing you want to do is line your baking tray because stuff will get burnt and you want to protect your baking tray. Now you cut your potatoes in small cubes and place it in your tray. Now, one of the best things about this recipe is the garlic. Yes, so this is garlic roasted potatoes, so we need some fresh garlic, and this is what gives it the wonderful taste. Now, garlic, whenever you roast garlic, it doesn't taste garlicky, right? It literally has like a sweet taste. So you want to put as much garlic as you can into this garlic roasted potato recipe. So you get some cloves of garlic and you chop it up really fine. Be careful not to cut yourself now. So now you're going to put some seasoning on your potatoes. Now you're only going to use dry seasoning for these potatoes. You can't use anything that's wet. All right. So just use whatever you have in your cupboard, in your pantry. I'm not too picky. You put some salt, some Cajun seasoning, some garlic powder, some paprika. You know, just whatever you have in your pantry, just use it. Right now, I'm just using whatever I have in my cupboard. Like, you don't have to go out and buy anything. Granted, you know, hopefully you have stuff in your pantry that you can already use. As you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe below. So once you have put the seasonings on your potatoes, you put the garlic right in there. You're going to sprinkle some olive oil onto your potatoes and then you'll mix it up. Mix it right up so you get some oil and all the seasoning mixed in together. Yes, yes, yes. And then you put it in the oven, 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And that's it. You have garlic roasted potatoes right from your oven. And it tastes amazing. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other cooking and juicing videos right here on my channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Bye.